This is our bar. We have some wine glass holders. You can hold 6 wine glasses there. Plenty of shelf space for everything you need, all your whiskeys, bourbons, and shot glasses, whatever you might need. Plenty of wine rack space. And then a top shelf. There's a light you can install. I did mine underneath. You can change the colors on it with a remote. There's a few different colors. Or you can do a demo, so it goes through all the colors. And you can change the speed of this demo. And you can change the brightness on this as well. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty awesome. It's got some outlets on the top and USBs on the top and everything you can need. We also installed a sign, a customized sign that we plugged into it. So it's a pretty cool bar. Highly recommend.
This is my bar that I purchased from them. I truly, truly love it. The lights change on it. I mean, it's a great access to my room, which is beautiful. I just haven't figured out how do I make my lights strobe with it. But other than that, it's a beautiful accent. Very easy to put together. Not hard at all. Just very nice.
This is the finished product. I put it together all by myself. It wasn't too bad to assemble. Of course, I'm not finished decorating it, but it will be decorated pretty soon. I love it. It's very beautiful. I am quite pleased with the purchase.
This is just perfect. It's right in the perfect space where I wanted it to go. This is so perfect. I love it. Love it. Which is what I was looking for.